Everyone, today I would like to tell you how to use the trim body. So in here we have an object already in this scenario. The next step, if we go into a sketch and in the top lines, we hit it OK, and then we use this draw a arc, and then we're going to extruded surface. So let's hit it, apply or drag it more longer. So let's hit it, apply. And next, I'm going to the trim body, and then I selected the body I want to do the trim. And in the tool options, let's just keep a face or apply. So we need to select the face or apply. Let's select this face. So it's automatically added the directions into this direction. That means it's deleted outside shape. If you're not satisfied with this option, let's just could choose reverse directions. So you could cut the object into another directions, right? Okay, let's hit it, apply. And in the two options, there has a face or apply. So at that moment, if we go into that apply, hit it, that apply, and we choose this, and then we give a distance maybe 40, and then we hit it, apply, right? So we're going to the trim body, and at the moment I select this body, and the trim two options, I choose this new plan I just created in last step, and then it's automatically trim this object and deleted outer shape. If you're not satisfied with this option, let's just click reverse directions. You will delete the shape on the left side, right? Let's hit it, apply. And we could also directly choose in here a new plan. So let's select this body. Okay, let's hit shift to unselect this surface first. Let's move the mouse to the selected body. Let's select this body. And in the specific plane, let's hit it and say, if I want to reference this plane, let's hit this plane. And then we give an offset distance into a 50. And because it's not covers overlapping with this body, so it cannot do the trim body. Let's give a negative 14 or negative 50s. It's begin to trim this body, delete the below part, right? If not satisfied with this, you could also change to reverse directions. It's gonna trim upper parts. And at this moment, let's just keep the tolerance as default. And don't forget to check the preview checkbox. And let's hit it, apply. Okay guys, today's tutorial about the trim body is just finished. And if you like my video, just could subscribe to my channel. See you in next lessons. Bye.